welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are making mac and cheese. What a wonderful dish. Super quick, super simple, but delicious. I have here 16 ounces of the macaroni and also 4 ounces that I have here left from the previous dish that I made. I have 2 ounces of all-purpose flour that we're going to be using for the sauce. Also for the sauce, we're going to be using 6 ounces of butter, room temperature already. Also the milk, you want it to be room temperature. You can still do it cold, but it's better if you get it out before, once you start getting all your ingredients together. We have 2 cups of milk, and we also have 1.5 pounds of cheddar cheese. This is the mild cheddar cheese. To enhance the flavor, I'm going to be putting, instead of putting just plain salt, I'm going to be putting a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I have already the water preheating. I brought it up to high right now, so when it starts boiling, I will put the pasta. But before that, we're going to be putting about half a tablespoon of salt. So let's go ahead and put this dish together. Let's go ahead and put the 16 ounces of macaroni in, and here we have the other 4 ounces. So in total, we have 20 ounces of macaroni. And I tell you, this is going to be an awesome dish. Let's just go ahead and move it around so that the macaroni won't stick together. Wow, now we just let it cook. The macaronis are looking good. They are boiling very well. So right now we're going to leave it for about 3 more minutes. Just remember, we need to leave them al dente because we're going to be putting them in the oven and they're going to cook a little longer. So we don't want to overcook them. And that's, just make sure you read the instruction on the box. Normally they're very good with that. But it's up to taste too. If you want it softer, leave it a little longer. Guys, we have the burner on medium low. We don't want it too high, so because I don't want the butter to burn. Right now what I just did, I put a stick and a half, which is 6 ounces of butter. I'm just going to put in the flour. Again, just make sure we break through it. We want it nice and loose, no lumps. We have 2 ounces of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk, room temperature. If it's possible, you can warm it up before, because sometimes the milk, if you don't have a room temperature or a little, warm enough, then it kind of gets all lumpy when you're doing the sauce because of the cold into it. So you want to make sure it's room temperature. You don't want it lumpy or anything like that. So right now I'm just moving it to make sure. You can see it's already thickening. That's beautiful. I'm going to be putting a tablespoon of chicken cube for flavor. Instead of using salt and pepper, I'm just using 1 tablespoon of chicken cube. I tell you guys, you try it this way and you are going to love it. Oh, tastes beautiful. The cheese, we have here about 8 ounces of cheese. Mac and cheese, you want the sauce to be nice and thick. Loose up the cheese. We're going to move it until the cheese is nice and melted. My secret ingredient, 1 12 ounces cup of evaporated milk. This is going to loose up the sauce right now. And then, guys, the flavor of this sauce with the evaporated milk is awesome. To enhance the color, a little paprika. Mix it very well. And this is done. So let me turn it off. I'm going to move it from the burner and we're going to put this dish together. I'm going to use the same cooking pan I used to boil the macaronis, and I'm going to transfer them back. They're nice and dry. Let's go ahead and get them all in. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put the beautiful sauce into the macaronis. Oh, that's awesome. And it's time to mix it together. Guys, this is looking good. I love it. It smells so cheesy and wonderful. The taste, because of the chicken bouillon powder, you guys, just try it. You're gonna like it. You're gonna fall in love with this recipe. It's just like that. The way it is right now is beautiful. Just like that. Look how cheesy, how beautiful. That is awesome. Let's make sure every little macaroni gets some cheese inside. So don't overdo it, don't over mix it, because you don't want to break them. But just enough. I'm using a 14 by 10 inches baking dish. So we're gonna go ahead and start pouring the macaroni here. Okay, guys, once we put half of the macaroni, now we're gonna put a layer of cheese on top. This is what's gonna make this dish beautiful and cheesy. So if you like cheese, go for it. Try it this way and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Your family, your kids, everyone. Now, second layer of macaroni. Guys, now we're gonna go ahead and put some more cheese on top. Simple. You can either buy the bag of the cheese, or you can just buy the nice chunk like this, a block of cheese, and you can shred it yourself. The macaroni and cheese ready to go in the oven. It's been preheating, 350. Once the cheese melt and have that beautiful golden color on it, guys, we all set. So let's give it 20 minutes. Guys, look at the mac and cheese. It came out so beautiful. Let's cut a little piece of the mac and cheese. Ooh, it looks so good. Oh, it smells so good too. Yay, yummy. Look at that, guys. Wow, look. Looks delicious. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, look at the mac and cheese, how beautiful it came out. Wow, look at the cheese. So nice. Really cheesy, the way it should look. It's perfect. So let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. God, this came out so beautiful and it smells so good. Let's go ahead and try it. Ooh, look at that. It's nice and hot. Let's be careful. Wow. Excellent. It came out so good. Let me try it again. I'm cheating. I hope you guys tried this dish. This macaroni and cheese came out awesome. Guys, let me know in the comments where you are watching from. I would love to know. And also share with me any dishes or anything that you would like me to make. Let me know. It was awesome to be here with you guys today. I hope you try this recipe. It came out awesome, the mac and cheese. I will see you guys on the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my video. God bless. Let's eat.